Hi, my name is Jill, and today I am going to show you a better way to light up your sewing machine with just using stuff you have at home. There's a lot of products out on the market right now that you can buy that cost $69, $79, $89, even $99 for you to light up your sewing machine. But I'm going to show you how you can just go to your auto store and pick up the different products that they have there. This one right here is called a Max LED. I'm going to do it to the side. When you push the button, it lights up. Believe it or not, you'll have that type of illumination on your sewing machine by the time we're finished. Now, I don't want you to go out and buy anything special. I want you to just go through your old electronic drawer, and a lot of you have these transformers. They must read 12 volt on them. They have to be 12 volt. So if you had an old CD player or old telephone that you were no longer using and you had a whole drawer full of these different electronics, just go ahead and use it. That way it saves you on cost. If you can scroll down a little bit and you can see the different accessories we have here on the tables. Some of the things that you are going to need are wire splicers, electrical tape, or you can use end cap that you can find at any hardware store. I also like using heat shrink too, but it's not necessary, so you don't have to buy anything extra because the electrical tape will do the same job. And if you see here, I have different transformers that we have found in our junk drawer or our electronic drawer. With that being said, we're going to cut off and then we're going to cut back on when we get further down the process. Thanks. So, with the Max LED light, it will come in this type of packaging. There'll be a button here with a screw at the top. Unscrew the top. When you unscrew the top and you open the package, it'll be exposed like this. You'll see a battery pack that's connected to it. What I want you to do with that is, with those wires, I want you to take your scissors and then cut it totally away. Just cut it away right here. And then when you look, you'll still have one more wire connecting. Cut it at its highest point as well. Then once you have that battery pack, you don't need it anymore. Toss it in the trash. Then I want you to go ahead and remove the lights from the package. Move that aside. Once you have the lights removed from the package, you'll have to go through splicing. Not only will you have to splice the end of these lights, you'll have to splice the end of your adapter. Now, adapters have different endings. And what we have done is we have went ahead already and start cutting off all the adapter ends. This one we have already spliced. So at the end, your adapter should look like this. So keep in mind, when you find the adapter that is a 12 volt adapter, it will probably have an end that looks like this. Just cut that end off. Then you'll need to splice the ends. You'll have one white, one black. Thank you. Alright, so we have spliced the end of the adapter and we have spliced the two ends from the light. So what you have is something that looks like this. What we have done was put the two white ends together on the lights, and we have put the two black ends. So we're going to go to the adapter now, and we're going to go ahead and tie the white ends to the adapter and the light. We're going to twist them together. And then we're going to cap them off. I prefer the caps. Some people do prefer to use the electrical tape. It is your choice. I will use electrical tape anyway at the end because I just have this whole paranoia. It is electricity. And then you're going to take the other side that are black and you're going to twist them together. So all together you'll have 3 wires that are together. And then you are going to cap this side as well. Now, I found these strips anywhere from the price of $14 to $29. It depends on the brightness that you want. Some people have smaller sewing machines, so they have 8-inch. I noticed that the 8-inch can cost $14. And then the ones that I showed you, the Max LED light, this is one that is more expensive. It runs right at 20. So now that you have your ends capped off, we are ready to go ahead and plug in. These lights can go on many different sewing machines. The machine that we're going to be putting it on today is a long arm sewing machine, to give it more light, so it'll illuminate as we sew. You can use these from anything from featherweight to your Bernina sewing machines, your Brother sewing machines, your Fast sewing machines. And I know a lot of these sewing machines now, they have the lights that come with them, but we are trying to get out of the habit of using that odd light that we can never place in the right position. Alright, so we are here by our long arm quilter. Now, what I like about these strips is it already comes with the double side tape on the end. So what is for you to do is just go ahead and find the placement of where you want it. What I like to do sometime is use my painter's tape, because as you know, painter's tape doesn't leave a mark. But I think I know where I want to put this right now. I'm going to go ahead and put these right up under the arm right here and then tape it that way. So all my light is going to be right up under here. Okay, so now we've taken off the double-edged tape, and I hope this isn't bothering any of you with looking at the light. But watch what happens. We are going to find the placement that we want, and I know I want it right here on the edge. I'm feeling my edge so I can get it straight. Then I'm going to take the second one that we've already done the same thing. I'm going to put it a little bit more forward on the machine. And there you go. Look at that illumination. It is worth the price of gold. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to light up your sewing machine. Bye.